Hi everyone, I'm Lanette,
I'm Johan.
and we bought a cabin on a ship.
We sure did. So we're back from Ayr, Scotland.
Yep, we learned how to pronounce it. Air, it's not air.
Yeah,
Arr.
yeah.
Even though I like to say that.
We got schooled on that.
We did.
We first just want to mention the last update we were talking about us paying our own way, this and that. They had to change of heart at Villa Vie real quick, and now they're giving every cabin like a $200 allowance for housing.
$200 credit. Yeah.
$200 credit a day, housing and food, I guess. I think that was just kind of written, sent out in a little frustration.
And also it was written because they are shorthanded and they have residents all over Europe.
Yeah.
And they're having to take their personnel to book those hotels for everybody and also prepay those hotels. So that takes a lot of work away from where they need to be concentrating. So that was another.
Yeah, we've taken another route. We've actually booked our own plane. They booked a cruise for us for a week. Then they sent us to Spain for 2 weeks. After that, we decided to just book our own hotels and destinations.
Yes.
Just to make it easier for them, and then just get reimbursed later on on board credit.
Yeah, and we feel very grateful that Villa Vie is taking care of everybody.
Yeah.
We feel it's above and beyond, because if you have a builder come and build your home and they don't meet the deadline, they're not going to put you up in a hotel and feed you.
No, they're not. So we actually stole that from
Holly, another resident who had said that, and it was a great point. So
it was a great point.
And she does have a Facebook page, Captain the Cruising Kitty. So if you want to follow it out, do that. So
yeah, we thought we want to share that.
Yeah.
And also, sea trials.
Yeah, we can talk about sea trials.
Yeah.
We have to go back to sea trials again. Unfortunately, it was a software issue between two different manufacturers. So they have the personnel from the two manufacturers on board this coming week, and hopefully get that straightened out.
Yeah, so they should be doing that end of the week, maybe the weekend. And so we're hoping that something can happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mid next week or something.
Yeah.
So we don't have any dates. We just know that they're working on stuff. So we're sharing information as we get it. And
so here's another thing is that as purchasers, and we only could talk as purchasers, not segmenters, the people that are paying as they go.
Yeah.
We have not been charged our $3,500 a month for our maintenance fees, and they are still yet planning on reimbursing us. We are going to just ask for onboard credit. We're not going to ask for a cash reimbursement. We have been we've been in hotels since April 15th, 18th-ish.
Well, exactly. We were, but we went to Phoenix to see friends and family for like three weeks before this.
Yeah. So, but we've been doing this all on points. So, a little bit about me. I'm a point maximizer. So,
Yes.
So, the credit cards and bonuses and stuff like that. So we have done this entire thing, and
flights and hotels and a lot of it.
I would say about 97% it's all been on points. So
yeah, I would say 96.
96. Okay, all right. Well, we didn't have to get a rental car. Oh, we did get a rental car in Phoenix. So we did pay for that in points too. Yeah. That is correct. Yeah. And that was the only car that we've rented in 5 months.
Yeah.
So
we take buses and trains.
Yeah, that's the way we do it. And our feet, of course.
Yeah.
So what else? I know there's some other stuff we wanted to cover.
Yeah, I don't know. We just do this off the top of our head when we do it. Yeah. So, if you think of something else, we'll just add that to the end of this video.
Yeah, we'll have to cut this one and then we'll start again.
Yeah.
So, I don't think there's anything else I can think of.
No.
But we are going to have a video and talk about a little bit about ourselves. So.
Yeah, we are. We might do that as a separate one, or we'll see if we attach it to this one.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, it's probably going to be a little longer one, so
Yeah,
it's
we
more
might have to
background
do
on us.
Yeah, I'll probably do a separate one then.
Yeah, that'll come out in a couple of days then.
Yeah, so we have we're in our hotel now. You can see we're in a new hotel.
Yeah.
I think we've been to 3 here in Air. We are actually, I think, hotel professionals. I don't know.
Well, we know what we like and what we don't like in hotels.
And I can tell you, the small garbage cans. I should be pointing.
Yeah.
Let's hold on that too. The small garbage cans with the lid. Oh my gosh, they are the worst. So.
Yeah, they're hard to open. Yeah, well, we're gonna have to do a special segment on it.
On hotels. Yeah.
Yeah. What could be better? But this is a great hotel.
This one is
very
great.
happy
Yeah.
with what they have here. So.
And it has a great view. So maybe we'll show you the view here shortly.
All right. That's what we got for now. We'll see you in a couple of days.
Yep. Next
Ciao.
time.
Take 2. We had a few more things we wanted to mention. And we are not sponsored by Villa Vie.
No, we're not.
Some people have asked that because we're so positive, but I think that's just who we are.
Yeah. And we're not afraid of speaking out either, so just so you know.
No, we say it the way we see it, you know, and a lot of people somewhat critical of this project and whatever. And I see that when people criticize this, they don't have all the information that some of the residents have here. So I think we feel a little bit more comfortable than others that see it from the outside.
Yeah, and we believe in Villa Vie, we believe in the crew, we believe in the project, and
yeah, we believe in the team that's running this. So
and we just can't wait to go see the world.
That's right.
And cruise away.
Hopefully mid next week.
Hopefully.
All right, that's what we got for today. We'll come out with something else here in a couple of days.
Yeah, sure.
Ciao. Here's the view from our hotel room. We got a little roundabout outside here, and the ocean back in the distance there. Got a church to the right there, kind of look like a mini castle. I would suggest you come visit Ayr here in Scotland. It's worth a visit.